Turkey is a country of fusion of rich and diverse cuisine. Taking inspiration from Mediterranean, Central Asian, Middle Eastern, and Balkan cuisine, the food of Turkey is rich and savory. With kebabs, meatballs, and Turkish tea being the staple among all, Turkey still has a variety of food that will surprise your taste buds. Take a look at the top 16 Turkish foods that awaits you. Turkish tea and coffee. Turkish tea and Turkish coffee are staples of Turkish culture. Turkish tea is typically served in small tulip-shaped glasses, while Turkish coffee is known for its strong and thick consistency. Lentil soup. The most comforting food in Turkey that you can have is the Turkish lentil soup. The lentil soup is made with red lentils, onions, carrots, tomatoes, and various spices. It is commonly served with a slice of lemon and garnished with some black pepper and parsley. Lokum. Lokum, or Turkish delight, is a traditional sweet made from sugar, starch, and flavorings like rosewater or citrus. It comes in various colors and flavors and is often dusted with powdered sugar or desiccated coconut. You can find a variety of lokum in the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul. Grilled fish sandwich. Balık ekmek, grilled fish sandwich, is the most famous street food in Turkey. It has grilled mackerel, onions, and fresh lettuce in 6-inch sandwich bread. It tastes delicious with a few drops of lemon juice. Dolma. Dolma is a popular Mediterranean food found in Turkey. It is vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, and grape leaves, with a mixture of rice, pine nuts, and spices. Pilav. Pilav is a famous and staple food in Turkey, with many regional variations. Pilav is typically Turkish buttery flavored rice, that differs from Asian-style plain steamed rice. Börek. Börek is another famous Turkish breakfast. It is a baked puff pastry or short crust dough that embraces several fillings, including cheese, ground meat, spinach, and other veggies. This can be your go-to option for a quick Turkish breakfast. Baklava. Baklava is a world-famous Turkish dessert, made from layers of thin pastry dough, nuts, often pistachios or walnuts, and sweet syrup or honey. This dish is available in different versions like pistachio baklava, walnut baklava, royal rolls, and more. Kumpir. Kumpir is a famous street food in Turkey. It is a giant baked potato that is stuffed with butter and grated yellow cheese. The kompir has a standard filling of cheese and butter, but one can add it up with the toppings. Menemen. Menemen is the famous Turkish breakfast. The traditional menemen recipe involves eggs, tomatoes, green bell peppers, and olive oil. It also has a seasoning of ground black pepper and may comprise chopped onion. Typically, the dish is served with a large, freshly prepared Turkish bread. So, it can be a filling breakfast or a light lunch. Mezes. Mezes is Turkish side dishes, which have a bit of everything. It includes hummus, stuffed grape leaves, seafood, beans, and more. This is basically an appetizer commonly served with soft drinks or Turkish wine. Köftes, meatballs. The people of Turkey take a lot of pride in their köftes. Turkish köftes are rich and savory meatballs made from minced meat, usually lamb or beef, mixed with herbs and spices. There is a vegetarian version, where the filling is made of chickpeas and vegetables. Iskender kebab. Known as the king of kebabs, Iskender kebab is a famous food of northwestern Turkey. It is like a doner kebab, consisting of a thin and finely cut piece of meat or lamb, served over pieces of pita bread, and topped with tomato sauce and melted butter. Often served with yogurt, this delicious kebab can be found nationwide, especially in Bursa. Lahmacun. Lahmacun is a famous Turkish-styled pizza with a crispy, thin crust. It is topped with a rich sauce mixture, consisting of flavorful minced meat, onions, tomatoes, and herbs. The idea of it being thin bread is that you can also roll it up and eat it burrito style. It is usually served with fresh lettuce, parsley, and a squeeze of lemon. You should try this delicious pizza when you visit Turkey. Munti. Munti is a delicious Turkish ravioli. They are typically dumplings, shaped in small squares, accompanied by various spices. The filling is minced meat or beef, alternatively spinach and cheese. They are usually topped with yogurt or butter, infused with garlic, parsley, and chili flakes. This is said to be a Turkish version of Italian dishes. Doner kebab. Doner kebab is the most famous fast food in Turkey. This dish is prepared with lamb, beef or chicken as the main ingredient. It is gradually roasted via a rotating vertical skewer. Roasted kebab is wrapped in a pita and some veggies, such as lettuce, tomato, onion, cabbage, sumac, fresh or pickled cucumber, and various types of sauces.